Welcome back, guys. As you can see, Los Naranjos is muy ocupado, very busy. Today is market day on the main road, as you can see, to the right. Okay, let's begin now.
Let's begin now.
Zig it. Certified worldwide. Live from Kingston, Jamaica right now. Beanie Mod. Rock City, St. Thomas, Virgin Islands. We coming. It's Greg Street. It's certified worldwide.
Temperature today is about 29-30, but as you can see, there's an event going on. So it's a 3-day event down by Nueva Ribera. There's a stage at the back and this massive stage at the front just there, and that was going on till 4 AM this morning, and all you could hear was dum 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 uns 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 Zona VIP. And it was got to sleep eventually. God damn, I do feel sorry for these residents and the people in the apartments here. Holy moly. Anyway, let's carry on. Just coming down by the side of Spinosa Chiringuito, and here we have the Marmanor. There we go. So I take a little ride along the promenade front and then zip off and do some XC. So wind's picking up a little bit now, so it makes riding a little bit cooler. Not much, but a little. The old Chiringuito's gone. They didn't pay their taxes, so demolition man came in. There we go. Everyone's at the player. We've got a rogue mobility scooter. Loads of people in the sea. Amazing. I think it's becoming more and more popular, the Marmanores, with Spanish holidaymakers, which is good. It's their country. Time to leave the promenade and head up to our route. Heading through the old town of LA, and I will put my detail of my destination into my sat nav very shortly, and we will go right here and join the main drag. Wrong way. You can hear all the cicadas in the tree and trees around. When you go past, they go quiet. Shh. No. Heading past Serena Golf now. Got 1.5 litre of water in my backpack and 750ml in the bike bottle I'm carrying with me. God, they are so noisy. Oh, we're right by the Willy Finca. The phallic symbols of Finca. Okay, we're going right. We have got Google Maps on.
In 600 meters, continue on to Calle Valeriana.
I shall. We're going to Cartagena today, guys. Have a little look around the city. See you, Dad. Oh, not too bad weather-wise. Not baking. You don't see this every day. Fair play. Hola, buenas. Fair play to the dude. Oh, yes, muy calor. Today is very hot. And he didn't have a top on. Bloody hell, I'm covered up to the hilt, I am. And then Memalomas popping in, or whatever they're called. Skin cancer doo-doos. See if I can get a hello. Buenas tardes. Oh, he's got a shopping basket. How cool is that? Oh, which side of the road are you going on? You have a Mexican standoff? Gotta go left in a
Turn
man.
left.
Very nice. Oh, we had the dirty Sanchez. These roads are soul destroying, I tell you. Just relentless. It's nice to get a bit of off road, down country, which is coming up shortly. Still plodding along. Normally go under this motorway, but today we're going over. Oh, probably only bit of climbing I'll do today. Well, this is going to be interesting. Every day you meet a big fuck off lorry on a road like this. Bloody hell! I meant to say BFO. Oh man alive! Looks like we're going off road. Suspension is on. There was a big storm a couple of nights ago, and everywhere is still a bit damp. Quite a few floods around by where our apartment is, but that's why I was sort of hoping the weather would have dried all this up, and so far so good. No ladder. Always amazes me how Google knows these routes. Crazy. Well, we made it, but I can honestly say I've never come that way before, and that's what she said. But very strange route. The Google Maps brought me into Cartagena big time, so I have now got to get on the cycle lane, which is over there. There we go, we've made it. This is the naval base of Cartagena. There's a couple of cannons there. Is that Keir Starmer? Oh no, it's an anchor. My bad. This is one of the main plazas. I'm going to go up and have a look at the Castillo and the Teatro, which is the theatre, the amphitheatre. Beautiful there. Gorgeous day for it. Temperature is still just right. I think this could be a good thumbnail picture. But yeah, bike's done well. Found some mud en route. But that bottle's empty. I've still got a litre and a half bottle in my backpack, but besides that I'll top that bottle up with the bottle out of my backpack, and we will carry on regardless. I've got old Felicia, just drive where they want to here. I'll start doing donuts. Cops eat donuts. Where's he going? He's never going to get through that gap. Oh, he will. Oh, it'd be funny if he scraped it. You cabrona. Okay, some mail time. Yeah, like I say, not Keir Starmer, I thought it was, but it's an anchor. Not quite a Keir Starmer. Thumbnail time. Take a little ride down to the port and see if there's a big ship in. Here we go. Brilliant. That one looks like it's got a buckled wheel. Now, is there a ship in the port? Doesn't look like there is. Oh, there is. There's the Badger. Looks like a Britannia. Let's go and take a closer look. Amazes me. The size of these, I mean, like 12 blocks of flats all in one floater. Oh, here we go. This is nice, isn't it? These cannons are huge. There's a whale in the water. Wow. Hive of activity when there's a boat here, I guess. A bit more of a better angle of the whale tail. Let's go and have a look at the big ship. Oh, I didn't know you could get down there. Let's go and have a look down there. I like an adventure, I do. To the water's edge. Oh, there's somebody actually in the sea here. Oh, some people. Wow. I brought some bread with me. I might feed the fish. There's that cruise liner. So tempting just to jump off into the med. So nice. Wow. I always like it when I do come here and there is a ship in the port. That sounds so phallic or innuendo. Let's go and find some fish to feed. There we go, just throwing a little bit of bread in. Pretty sure you can see all the little ones, but some huge ones just gone that way. Let's throw a bit more bread in and see what happens. They just keep nipping up and taking nibbles on them. I said nibbles, not nipples. I want them big fish to come. You see like the rays of light in the water as it breaks through. There's got to be some big fish in here somewhere. Here they are. I like the fish that nibble at your skin when you're in the sea paddling. There's a piece of bread over there as well. But I need the big fish. Grande pescado, I think. Pescado, I think it is fish. Well, they're having a good time. Not tell the big brothers. Yeah, they're all turning up now. Look how fast they are. Yeah, I've got this little bit here. Just get through a little bit more in. A little bit more in. They're so fast though. It's a funky catamaran boat going out, probably for a tour around the coastline. That's when these cruise liners are here, they've got a captive audience. Wow. Because plus it's a naval dock, so there's normally warships. Oh, a couple over there in the distance, as you can see. It's a beast of a ship. Britannia. Some posh boats in the harbour here. That one's just a little tugger. Yeah, some posh ones there. Worth a few quid these are, or euros. Absolutely. People have got little tiny dots on it. I wonder how many rooms are on that. 500-600, maybe more. Because you pay for like a balcony view, don't you? But you get the inner sanctum cabins as well. Everything just pales into insignificance with this as you get closer. So how can something like that be built? I'll tell you what, there ain't enough rescue boats on that for everybody. Oh my days. Rich and Linda, you'll know which one this is, and probably Pete and Helen. I think this is as close as we get here. Everyone shows their passes as they go back on. I wonder where the next port of call is. Look at that, absolutely. As you get closer, it's like amazing. Probably over 1,000 rooms on that. Wow, right. Let's go somewhere else. And so the climbing begins. El Torre, the tower. Let's have a little look around the castillo. Hoi hoi. Roosters. Duck pond. some amazing views from here. Maybe not up somebody's shorts, but I love it here. The viewpoint is excellent. Looks like they've got a stage as well. That's Buena Vista. There you go, guys. Cartagena, see you there. Cartagena City. The amphitheatre is just down there, so we're going there in a bit. But I'm going to take a look at the other side of this viewing platform. There we go. That's where we were just, down in that port. Puffing the smoke out the chimneys at the top. Again, it just looks tiny from here. Naval vessel over there. There was a couple up the side when I had a look. Is it nice? Okay, let's go up towards the Castillo. I think this is just the entrance up here. Oh, hello. Sorry. I don't think it goes much further round. Oh, it does. Ah, just keep going. Oh, this is the entrada. Oh, this is the bridge with a view to a kill. Sends your eyes directly up here. Right to the very end. It looks like they're doing something to that amphitheatre there. That's a high up. Should have got the selfie stick. There we go. That's that way. And that's that way. Now, if memory serves me correctly, I can get to the amphitheatre from here. All being well. So many viewpoints. The amphitheatre. Romeo, Romeo, wherefore art thou, Romeo? Amazing.
Vale, se entra por esa plataforma. Esto ya lo está, ¿no? ¿Por cuál?
I was going to bring my drone, but didn't have enough room in my hand luggage for it. Time to head down, I think. Whee! Oh, it's nice. Bit of adrenaline. Gonna take a little ride up the main high street. Lots of entertainment going on in all of these Spanish towns at the moment. 26 kilometres from Los Alcazares to Cartegena and 26 back. Plus about 4 or 5 kilometres riding around. Okay, main high street. people probably from that cruise ship. Still cruising up the main street. Calle. All pedestrianised, nice. Oh, that's a lovely blasted aircon that was. Hora para agua. Time for water. There's a shop up here I can get some snacks from and some water. Bebidas y alimentos. Oi oi. Heading out now guys and back. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Got me water and it's all good. Got my instructions talking to me, so let's see how we do. Love these little back streets and hidden alleyways. So historic and everything. Cool.
Turn left onto Plaza General Lopez Pinto, Plaza Puerta de la Cerreta, then continue on to Calle Angel Bruna.
I will. This is the way I remember, down by the train track. And we go left in a moment over the wasteland. This is the usual route I take to Cartagena from Los Alcazares. So, it's looking good. Gotta go left in a bit over this fly tipping wasteland. There's loads of those jumping like locusts type things on the track. I keep seeing them. They sort of jump and fly. They're probably cicadas. There's one. Yeah, I bet that's what they are. Little tiny little grass chopper. Oh, this is fun. Fun in the sun. Still climbing. This is the preferred way back and to and from. Sat nav keeps making like a double bleep, and I'm guessing that means that I'm on the right track. Because if I'm not, it'll tell me to take a U-turn or go a different way. Like a heartbeat, pop up. Should do it in a minute. This will take me up to the main road and I'll weave my way back. God, this is bumpy. There you go. That's the noise. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. Oh, here we go. Crying all the time. You ain't never caught a rabbit and you ain't no friend of mine. Cool. This is a relentless headwind. It's been against me more or less all the way back. Shine a light. This is hard work. That's it guys, end of the ride. Been all over there to Cartagena and all the way back. I worked it out to be about 27, 28 miles I reckon in total until I get back, which is all the way around the edge there. The bike is doing really well. So is the rider. So, you know the routine. Don't forget to give us the thumbs up. Look at the ding dong. And until next time guys, hasta pronto. Ciao.